fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back once again. It's your girl, the African Barbie, the Melanin Princess Dumebi, and if this is your first time stumbling on my channel and see my gorgeous face, you are welcome. Please, I hope you decide to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, just right there, and then notification bell right beside it. That way YouTube lets you know whenever I drop a new video. I do makeup videos, skincare, hair, story time, chit chat, girl talk, stuff like that. So you're going to enjoy it here as well, okay? And if you are a returning subscriber, you guys know that you're the real everything. You know that I love you. Welcome back. So today's video, as you guys already saw in the title, is going to be me talking about a skincare brand called SWISDERM International. You guys, I don't know, for those of you who have been following me since I came back from my little YouTube break. I came back this year in January, like just a few weeks. I started uploading again. I told you guys that the excuse I was off YouTube was because I was battling with very serious acne breakout. I'm going to be including like pictures and stuff so that you guys can see what my face used to be like. That was what I battled with. So you guys, a lot of it is gone, but it still comes and goes. You know, this type of thing doesn't just go like that. You know, I still have like few pimples that come here and there from time to time, and I've still not cleared my dark spots and my hyperpigmentation. I know I'm putting on makeup right now so you guys cannot see, but later on in this video I'm going to put a clip of my face without any makeup on so that you guys can see the way the current state of my face right now. There's improvement, but I'm not back to where my face used to be. So when SWISDERM International contacted me, they wanted to send me products for me to do a video dedicated to their brand. I was like the timing couldn't have been better, because this is the time I actually need stuff that was going to help me get my skin back to where it used to be. So I'm so excited to have this product, and I want to talk about it to you guys because the products are not just beauty products, they are also healthcare products as well. So without talking too much, let's just get right into the video. So you guys, this is the parcel that I received from SWISDERM. You can see it's from Switzerland, so I believe that is where the mother company is. So in this bag here, that is small but mighty, there's a lot in here. I have a couple of their products. I have some flyers as well because they wanted me to be very educated about all the things that they're sending. There's a lot of information about this product, and it's actually quite a brand that has been there for years, so it's quite a popular brand. They are not a startup company or anything like that, so they already have a reputation, and there are so many reviews on their website, social media and stuff that you can even decide to educate yourself further with after watching this video. So now let's talk about the products one after the other. So you guys, this is S Factor. This is the first product I'm going to be talking about. This is a very natural product. It has fish collagen, it has vitamin C, it's also rich in antioxidants, and it's also rich in plant stem cell, basically that helps in regenerating the cells, thereby making us look younger, reducing the aging process and stuff like that. It strengthens the immune system by regenerating dead cells, and it is actually something that can be used by anyone because it's all natural. Even pregnant women, even the sick people that are recovering, old or young, anybody can actually use this product. This factor also strengthens hair, skin and nails as well. It improves intestinal and cardiovascular health. Now for the part that I'm most interested in, which is the beauty part, you guys, this product actually helps in reducing or slowing down aging by reducing appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. You guys know that I want to stay as young as we can for as long as we can. I don't know about you guys, but about me, yes. So it also has antioxidant properties, which helps in skin brightening. Now you guys, skin brightening is different from skin lightening. Skin lightening is basically making your skin lighter, which is what we like to refer to as bleaching. But skin brightening is basically like improving the appearance of your skin. If your skin is dull and ashy and basically dull, is not like it's not glowing, this brings that out. This actually brightens your skin. Also, it reduces aging and it improves skin elasticity, because the reason why we get wrinkles and fine lines is because our skin is losing its elasticity. And I can actually attest to it that one of the side effects of the acne breakouts that I had is that my skin elasticity got bad, because if I should like look serious for a while, I will see wrinkles on my forehead and my smile lines. I believe that was an after effect of the breakouts that I suffered from, but it's actually improving right now, and I'm hoping that with using this product I will see even more and more improvements. And this product is actually allergen free, so you're not going to have any reaction when you use it. So this product is something that I definitely look forward to using. I've started using some of the products actually, but I believe that I need to use it for a longer period of time to come and give you guys like a full testimony of how it has been on me. So there's definitely going to be a follow-up video on this brand. Guys, this is the next product here, and I'm smiling about this one because I think I'm really excited to use this one as well. This one is called Hydrating Toning Lotion. By toning, you know the way you tone your muscles, you make them look tighter and more youthful. That's what this does to the skin. It is rich in collagen, which is one of the skin building proteins. So anything that is rich in collagen is going to improve your skin appearance. This moisturizes the skin. This creates a toning effect. So if you have like sagging skin, loose skin, this is going to help you lift and tone that skin, so thereby it's going to make you look younger. I mean, that's obvious, right? It lightens pigmentation. So if you have any areas that you have like dark patches or hyperpigmentation or stuff like that, this is going to lighten the pigmentation. It also helps in skin brightening. I've explained the difference between skin brightening and skin lightening. So yes, I definitely love the fact that it has the skin brightening effect, because my skin got really dull and ashy and a bit darker when I was battling with the acne, but now it's beginning to get better. And because I've started using this, and I believe I'm going to use it more, I believe I will see even better effects as time goes on, and I will definitely come back and tell you guys about it. It also has a moisturizing effect and it minimizes pores. So if you have like large skin pores, this is probably a product that you need to try. It also reduces blackheads and it reduces wrinkles as well. This is why we say these products are anti-aging, because anything that reduces wrinkles gives you a more youthful look. So this is the 200 ml bottle of the hydrating toning lotion, and this right here is the 60 ml bottle, the same product. So they are both hydrating toning lotion. It's just this is 200 ml and this is 60 ml. And I'm going to be demonstrating how I use these products later on in the video, so keep watching, guys. This next product here is called the SWISDERM B cream. This product is another anti-aging product. It helps to repair damaged skin cells and also to reduce the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines. Where do you get wrinkles and fine lines? Here, your smile lines, your eyes, under your eyes, your crow's feet. There's some lines that appear here at the end of your eyes. The older that you get, your forehead wrinkles appear there as well. I think I'm beginning to see crow's feet, and I don't want to go old, please. I look forward to actually seeing the effect of this product and coming to tell you guys all about it, because believe me, I will not keep quiet once I see that these wrinkles and fine lines are reduced. So it actually lifts sagging skin as well. That is why they say it is anti-aging, makes you look younger, because the older we get, our skin sags. So this will lift your sagging skin as well. And it equally moisturizes dry and rough skin, so it just improves the appearance of your skin. So this is a beauty product as well. So this product contains things like ingredients like coconut oil, vitamin E, sunflower seed oil. Vitamin E is very good for skin. I remember I used to buy like the vitamin E tabs, not tablet, like they come capsules. So you just like burst it and then you use the oil and you apply it all over. Yes, I used to have it sometime and I saw massive improvements with my skin. So I believe this one is even richer than just the vitamin E itself, because it has other ingredients as well that help in skin regeneration and basically has anti-aging properties as well. So you guys, this is the SWISDERM Bio White Cream. This product is superb for brightening dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So if you're like me, that you suffer from acne and pimples, and of course we know that whenever you have acne and pimples, dark spots will follow, you need this product. This one, I actually tried it. There was one dark spot that I had particularly, and I used it for like a week and I already saw it disappearing. It's not something that's just going to happen overnight, you guys. You have to use consistently as well. So it's rich in vitamin E, it's rich in lemon fruit extract. You guys know that lemon has brightening properties. It's also rich in vitamin C as well, which also has brightening properties. So that's why it's going to brighten the dark spots and hyperpigmentation that you have. And it also improves the skin elasticity. So when your skin elasticity is improved, you're not going to have those fine lines and wrinkles showing so easily, because your skin will be more supple and succulent and more youthful looking. So this product not only does it even out the skin by generally working on your dark spots and hyperpigmentation, it's also rich in SPF 25. So you guys, this product, as little as it looks, is one of the most powerful ones, especially for cell regeneration and for anti-aging. This one is called the 3S capsule. It makes the skin look younger, softer, more succulent, brighter, and it improves dull skin. So if your skin is dull, it's not glowing, it's looking ashy, it's not like looking, you guys know what I mean, this actually will help with that. So it suits the skin and it also helps you to repair scars. So if you have like scars, this can help to reduce the appearance of those scars over time of consistent usage. Then you guys, the last but not the least is this small but mighty product over here. This is called their sun protector. My acne experience, my acne journey has taught me the very importance of SPF. Sun protector is SPF. So sun protector basically is very good in preventing sunburn or hyperpigmentation and actually improving sunburn or hyperpigmentation that you may have on your skin. Sun protector should actually be worn every day during the daytime. It's not something you should or should not do without. It's something that you need. It's a necessity. This particular one from SWISDERM can be used on anybody, no matter your skin tone. This one will just blend right in. So I think that's enough of us being introduced to this product. I'm just going to go right into applying the products for us to see how they are supposed to be used.
So you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I apply this product. I do not use all the products at once. I divided them into two different routines. There are some that I use during the daytime and there are some that I use at night. So I'm going to be showing you guys my morning skincare routine using this product from SWISDERM. I'm just showing you guys my face so that you guys can see the current state of my face. You can see that I still have some pimples. I still have a lot of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. My color is not even. And you can see that my face is considerably darker than the rest of my body. So I'm using these 4 products first of all as part of my morning skincare routine. I'm showing you guys, I'm unboxing the one after the other. The first one that I usually use is the 3S capsule, which I just showed you guys, followed by the hydrating toning lotion, which is what I'm showing you guys now. And then this is the third product I use, which is the Bio White cream. And you know, the last one is the sun protector. So we're about to begin. So beginning with the 3S capsule, I'm just going to be taking one of them. It's transparent capsules that you can just open from using your fingers, and it's shaped like a fish sort of, which is something that I like. So you just basically empty the content of the capsule into your hand. It's an oil, it is lightweight, it has very little scent, but I like the way it feels on the skin. It doesn't make your skin feel, your pores feel clogged. So you just massage it into your skin. When you're applying anything on your face, do not apply downwards, apply upwards and outwards, because by applying downwards you're going to be dragging your skin, thereby increasing wrinkling and aging process. So whatever is left from the S capsule, I just apply on my hands. Then the next thing is to spray your hydrating toning lotion. You usually advise to spray it 12 centimeters away from your face, and then you allow it to dry, or you just use your hands to pat in the product so that your skin can absorb it. So the third thing that I use is the Bio White cream. The Bio White cream, as you guys already know, which I stated before in the video, is that it's an anti-dark spot care. And you guys know I really have dark spots from the acne that I'm recovering from. So you can even use a little less than I use, because these products are actually really concentrated and powerful. So even a little of the product goes a long way. But for demonstration purpose, I used this actual amount of the product. So you just make sure you apply it and let it sink in. After some time, the skin absorbs it. And then the last that I'm going to be using in this morning skincare routine is the SPF, which is the sun protector. You guys, sun protector is always the last thing that you should apply on your skin before going out or before your makeup. So you just massage it right in. And this sun protector is meant for all skin tones. So no matter if you're fair or dark or whatever, you can use it. Don't use too much of it. Just as I mentioned, it is very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Massage it right in, and in a few minutes the skin absorbs it, and then your skin tone goes back to normal. So this is the end of my morning skincare routine. So now I'm going to be walking you guys through my nighttime skincare routine. So I take the S Factor at night, you guys, because this one is to be ingested. So I'm just going to be getting one of the sachets. So first of all, we're supposed to take I take warm water with it, and then after that you just open the sachet and then you place it underneath your tongue. This is what I'm demonstrating, just right there under your tongue. You put it there and then you leave it. You're not supposed to like lick it immediately. You just allow it there so that it dissolves into the skin and circulates to your whole body. So while I'm waiting for the 10 minutes for it to dissolve, I go right into applying my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm starting off with the 3S capsule. This extremely moisturizes my skin, and as I mentioned, it is very lightweight. So I just absorb it. Also, don't forget, I just apply it. Also, don't forget that we're doing this in upwards and outwards motion, as I explained earlier. And then whatever is left of it, I apply on my hands as well. Then the next thing that I'm applying is the SWISDERM B cream. I'm just using 2 pumps of this, and I'm just going to dab it right into my skin. Can you guys see the way the color just changed from white to colorless? So that's how it dissolves very easily into the skin as well. Don't forget that this helps you take care of wrinkles and reduces the aging process. So you just pat it in, like kind of like you're allowing your skin to absorb it, and then it's about 10 minutes down. So I just take my warm water because of the S factor that I had in my mouth as well, and then I go to bed.
Guys, just in case you want to purchase any of those products from SWISDERM International, I'm going to be leaving their contact details on the screen. You can check them out there, and if you want to do further research, which I always advise that you do, you're going to see information up there on their website and on their social media and all of that. Read up on it, and there are a lot of testimonials as well, before and afters and stuff like that, that you can also see and educate yourself about their products. You know, they are very accessible. That is their contact over here in Nigeria, so feel free to go there. You can purchase their products, and I hope that you get the results that you're looking for, because these products have actually been tried and proven and tested, and the results have been satisfactory by a lot of people. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be wrapping it up over here right now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Have you used this product before? Is this something that you're willing to try? So drop me a comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.